Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Got a 2015 factory built Peterbilt glider kit Daycab, 12.7 Detroit, pre-emission, 10-speed, full lockers, and a wet kit. 865 total on the miles. Got fired up running this morning. Going to do a full walk around, show you everything that you want to see as if you were standing here. Let's get started. Good body and paint overall. Clean underneath. Southern truck, so there's no rust on the frame rail in between anything. Frame rail's real smooth. Blow by good. Front end straight, fenders are in good shape. Got one small spot in the grill surround. Like I said, this one does have a headache rack wet kit on it as well. Tires and brakes all around, all aluminum wheels, air slide fifth wheel. Only imperfection really I see on the exterior, got a small crease on this driver's side fuel tank if you look close. Take a look on the inside. It's got 4 gauges. Operating temp's not all the way up yet. It's been running for a while, but not all the way up. Good low side oil pressure the way it is. Smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure jumps up like it should. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions, feel free to give me a call. If you like this one or any other ones, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.